So here it is question number 103. You can see they are asking primitive relative of animals. Please remember, actually the protista, it has no proper boundary, right? Here we can include all the plants, we can include some animals, we can include some microbes also, right? So what happened that protista is having all the category. That means we can say that if it is primitive relative they are asking, and that is in under protista we have animalia concept, then obviously answer goes to this. So now you just see here, for slime mold is something like fungi kind of organism. Yes, this is under protista. Euglenoids are something like in between plant and animal, so we can't say it is the animal only. Again, dinoflagellus, if we see, it is simply it is the plant. So what we can understood that protozoans are nothing but the animal, so these are considered to be the primitive animals. So option 2 is correct. Here you can see question number 104, chief producer of ocean. Please remember, algae is not a chief producer in ocean, because we have to go for the minute creature, minute organisms. Mycoplasma is not exactly the producer, because it is kind of bacteria. Again, if I see diatoms and cyanobacteria, some are photosynthetic, some are chemosynthetic. But if we see diatom, this is what a kind of producer which is present in ocean, and we know that under ocean only they can make the diatomaceous earth. And if you dig under this diatomaceous earth, you will get petroleum. This is the bioindicator also. So please remember, diatom is the correct answer for the chief producer in ocean. Okay, so option 3 is the correct answer. Now see question number 105. Here they have asking about the planktonic form. Planktonic means they are minute in nature. You must have know this one. Minute in nature, as well as they are photosynthetic. They must be photosynthetic, because already they have mentioned it should be planktonic. Planktonic means something like plant kind of behavior or producer kind of behavior. Actinomycetes are fungi, mycoplasma are bacteria, sporozoans are the animal. We know the diatoms are the photosynthetic, right? They are the producers. So our option goes to point number 3. Option number 3. Then come to question number 106. In that they are asking that out of all this, it includes unicellular, it should be eukaryotic, photosynthetic, and planktonic organism. We know if it is unicellular eukaryotic, that means obviously I have to give answer for the protista. Again, it is photosynthetic, it is minute, very size is very minute, and they are the producers, right? So let's see here. You can see obviously cyanobacteria is not under protista. Again, if you see mosses are not under protista, correct? Again, cyanobacteria, again we have archaebacteria, again we have these two are not under protista. So our best answer is here. We can see here desmids and diatom. So these are under protista, as well as they are photosynthetic and planktonic organisms. So our answer goes to point number 2, option number 2, right? Now come to the question number 107, and they are asking about the mycoplasma. Already I have mentioned that mycoplasma are also known as joker of kingdom Monera. Why? Because they have no cell wall. So see the select the character not related to mycoplasma. So as they have no cell wall, therefore they have some they can go for the different shapes. That's why they are considered as joker. So not related to mycoplasma means they are given that they have cell wall in the 4th option, which is wrong. So our answer goes to option number 4. Yes. So here we have question number 108, and they are asking about what is the common feature about the gonaialyx and euglena and amoeba, right? So all these are under what? It is under kingdom protista. So if we know kingdom protista, then obviously this is in our mind that these are nothing but the eukaryotic, as well as they are unicellular organisms, right? So answer is actually they are unicellular and eukaryotic. Question number 109, in that they are asking what is the false statement with respect to euglena. See, if you go through each and every, like first option is they have cell wall is lacking and they have protein that is pellicle, which is correct. We need to find out false, remember. So a majority of them are freshwater distribution, this is also correct. And if we go to question number 3, option number 3, you can see that they are photosynthetic, but pigments are not identical to those present in the higher plants. Of course, if you are photosynthetic, then obviously you must have chlorophyll A and certain pigments which is there in the plant. So this option is all wrong, right? Come to the let's see question option number 4 also. When deprived of sunlight, they predate on the small on other smaller organism, and because of that they are considered as what, animal. So this option is also correct. So our most appropriate answer goes to what, option number 3. So I hope you understood why it is option number 3, right? Come to question number 110. They are asking what is a dikaryon means. So already we have the same kind of questions, like we have two nucleuses like this and they are not fused together, right? Usually they should be fused together during the sexual process of reproduction. But now what happened, like they are separately present, and this is N. So the N stands for what, these are nothing but the haploid. Now see where the correct option is. We can see that a cell with two haploid nuclei formed after plasmogamy. Plasmogamy means when you are going to fuse the plasma and still you have not fusing the nucleus, then this is known as dikaryotic structure, right? So option 3 is the correct answer. So I hope you understand this portions why the answers are like this. Yes.